Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. Today I'm taking a walk through Clinton Premium Outlets in Clinton, Connecticut. I had spent a week at Water's Edge in nearby Westbrook, Connecticut, so I'm checking out all kinds of fun things to do around there. The Clinton Premium Outlets is right off I-95. There's 75 stores, which consist mostly of like mall stores and designer stores. They were all filled too. There wasn't a lot of vacancies around. It was a really good shopping experience. There was tons of free parking. I was there, it was during the week, I think it was a Friday though. It was like 3 o'clock in the afternoon in October. If you are just finding my channel, I started this back in April, probably about 6 months ago. I lived in Connecticut my whole life and I haven't seen even a little bit of it. I go to the same 3 or 4 towns all the time. So I'm like, I'm gonna go see all of Connecticut and I'm going to tape it and edit it and put it on YouTube for others to enjoy and hopefully find cool things to do for themselves. If this sounds cool to you, if you could please hit the subscribe button and like this video and share with your friends. If you know anybody that wants to go to the Clinton Outlets, I'm going to give you a little tour. So come take a walk with me. The outlets had a lot of food trucks and places that you could grab a snack. It has a bridge that takes you to another section. You can also drive there as well if you don't want to walk over the bridge or can't for some reason. It had a very pretty overlook. I was like, wow, look at this, a little nature amidst all this shopping pleasure. Have you been to the Clinton Outlets before? Let me know in the comments about what's your favorite stores that you find great deals at. I was kind of in a hurry, so I didn't do any shopping, but I definitely want to go back there. It was great. They had so many shoe places, especially in this section right here. Still on the tour with me. Thank you so much for watching. It was nice hanging out with you. Please like, subscribe, and share if you will. That would rock. Happy shopping to you. Be well to each other and safe travels to you.